I'm Manav Kohli. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for the Caterpillar dealership business.
I am Deepak Jolly, Head Construction Industries for Gainwell Commercials.
I'm Shekhar. I take care of aftermarket for Gainwell.
I am Arvind Rishi. I take care of energy and transportation business.
Myself, Pandita. I am looking after facilities part of the business in Gainwell.
Hi, my name is Anurag and I am from energy and transport business of Gainwell, India.
It is a momentous occasion for us as we inaugurate what we call as Unnati 2.
Today is the golden day for all of us as we have inaugurated a great facility, great workshop in Greater Noida.
Very happy. We are inaugurating our second workshop in Greater Noida. That's Unnati 2. Here we try to refurbish all our machines, the excavators, graders, dozers.
As the business is growing, we felt the need to expand the capacity. So we have taken Unnati 2, which is another 43,000 square feet of space.
Here we want to continue to deliver on Caterpillar promise, machine made to rebuild. All the machines here that we get is approximately 20,000 hours, the first life, and we try to rebuild it and give the second life to it for another 15,000 hours.
This is an integrated facility which will cater to the requirement of CI, RI and ENT, all the three verticals. We will be doing machine overhauls here. We have a fabrication yard here. We will have a paint booth, and there is an upcoming panel assembly yard planned for this facility.
We are actually enhancing our capacity in terms of overhauling the engines, DG sets.
But this facility certainly is going to help us build better commitment for the customers and always walk the talk what we do for our customers.
I'm very much excited to welcome you all in our new facility to see and support us.